Jessica Lauren.
Birthday!
2 feet.
I got, look at all your birthday messages already.
Wowza. Thanks, guys. Wow. She's a hot one today, boys. Today, I don't really know what all we're doing. I could clean out 2 bins. Hi. These bins are gonna be deadly, aren't they?
No, it shouldn't be too bad.
The sun is so hot.
Sun's hot, but it's not as muggy.
This is the first bin we're cleaning out today. It's pretty much good. We cleaned it out already. This is just the stuff that was at the top because it's like a top dry, so we just gotta shovel all this gross stuff out. So this is bin number 1. That was bin number 2. That one is like plugged and a nightmare. So starting off with the easy one. Okay guys, it's a bit later. We got this bin all cleaned out, and now we're gonna work on this West Steel bin and try to figure out how to unplug it, because, well, we need to unplug it to empty it. So yeah, it's kind of sketchy. It's a bit like lopsided, so it's not very safe to go in or like do anything. So trying to figure out a way we can make it go through the system. Dad's working on cutting something. I don't really know what his plan is, but we're gonna see if that works. Doggo, that's a big stick. This is a huge stick. You can barely hold it. This lighting's gonna be, but pretty much I'm a crap vlogger and I haven't vlogged in a long time, and now it's 9:30. Pretty much what you missed. I got my hair cut. We went to London, got my hair cut. It's not that much shorter, but like I got layers, so hopefully it'll be curlier now. Then we went out for dinner with my brother. I ate way too much food, and now I'm going out for dinner with my friends at 9:30.
Happy birthday to you. I guess you don't really.
Okay guys, it's now much later and I realize how bad I am at freaking vlogging. It's because I'm just not used to like picking up a camera and showing everything I'm doing, especially when I'm out with my friends. I just don't think about it, or with my family or whatever. And also I'm not super comfortable with public vlogging. It's just not it yet. Good morning guys, actually good afternoon. Today is Tuesday. It's like lunchtime. Actually, I lied. It's like 1 o'clock. I haven't filmed yet today, my bad. But honestly, you haven't missed out on much. We've kind of just been sitting around waiting for wheat harvest to start. Dad was spraying white beans this morning. And I was cutting grass, which sucks. I hate cutting grass. But I do want to go outside and strip all of our technology gadget stuff out of the loader tractor, because we're getting a new loader tractor on, well, tomorrow, Wednesday. So that's exciting. But first we need to get our egg leader stuff and all those goodies. We'll do that for now, and then I'm just gonna wait until it's go time. I'm very excited.
Black hole somewhere out in outer space, yeah. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't want anything else but you. Baby, this world, it drives me crazy. I've been running around the room trying to make
Not bad.
Does it taste okay? Soft?
No.
As you guys just saw, we were testing out, or walking the field to see if it was good to start. We're gonna test it, see what the moisture is. And then if we have to dry some, then we're alright with that. I'm just gonna hook this loader tractor up to some wagons so it's out of the way and start getting stuff going. Looks like everyone's going.
I don't see anyone in my combine.
They were going earlier. They're probably taking a sample, yeah.
Do a video.
Why not?
They'll be moving wagons.
Okay, I'm headed to the field right now. Dad's waiting for me, so I'm gonna put this down, get going, and I'll catch you guys at the field. Okay guys, I made it to the field. I just unloaded Dad. I was really rushing earlier because he was full and waiting for me, and I had to get to the field. So that's pretty much what happened. But now that I'm here, I went to look at I'm using my GoPro right now for footage because everyone wants better like audio, which I don't blame you. I have been trying to work on it, but pretty much my GoPro is dead and I can't get much footage in the field, which sucks because I even brought I'm just really mad about it, okay? So this crappy old iPhone quality is gonna have to work for the rest of today because I don't have anything else that I can work with. So that kind of sucks. Ad is coming.
You got moisture on it or no? What? You got moisture on it or no? I'm fine.
So literally, as soon as we get started, I think we've done like 3 passes maybe, Mom's tractor won't start, and it's like the wagon tractor, so I mean we kind of need it. And it's going in tomorrow. We're taking it in because we traded it in for a new one. I was like, of course, the day before we go trade it in, it freaking breaks down on us. As you can see, we got the tractor going again, but now I guess it was like trying to switch in and out 4-wheel drive or something. I don't really know. But now it's like the issue of what if it stops when we're driving on the road and there's someone behind you and you're on a hill and you start rolling back, and yeah, the fun realities of farming. And now Mom and Dad are getting frustrated with each other, so love that for me. That's why I'm sitting here while they're dealing with that over there. We're just gonna use the big 8R. It's gonna be a bit excessive, but it's more reliable and it's just safer. There's no point taking a crappy tractor on the road.
Feels like it's getting tough already.
You think you'll start another field or quit then after this?
I think I'll just quit.
Sounds good, boss. This right here is our last load, and now we're going home. And I'm hungry. It's 8:30, and I've been snacking this whole time, but I'm hungry. Yeah, so we're headed home, and I'm really excited. Right, Dad? Okay guys, it's now 11 o'clock and I edited part of my vlog from, well, I guess the video you're watching right now. But it's 11 o'clock and I'm really tired and it's time for bed. So I am gonna leave this today off here. So I'll see you guys all in the morning. Good night, guys.
Good morning, guys. Welcome to Wednesday. I'm so tired this morning. That's all I gotta say.
Okay guys, so we're back trying to unload this bin while we're waiting on your tractor to show up to help us with our tractor. So yeah, I thought I'd just say that quick before I get over there, and it's really loud. It's also like 10:30 I think, so I'm getting hungry. I think it's almost 1. I just stopped in for a quick lunch and then it started pouring rain. So it looks like we're not doing wheat today. Clean up on aisle 9. Yikes. We just cleaned up most of it. That stuff was all good, so we put it in the pit. But now, put some rotten corn in the middle because there's a hot spot. So now we're gonna scoop that up and put it in the bucket. And it's now 1:30, so I have to work tonight. So for the first time I've worked in a long time, I booked some time off so I could help with the wheat harvest, but I'm still working like 2 nights a week, 3 nights a week, I don't really know. Something like that. Okay, so we're now planning on using the Willinga blower to suck up the rotten corn on the inside of the bin and put it into this like wagon because there's too much to scoop up and it's gonna be really heavy. And we found out that's what plugged the bin, the primary and intermediates, is that huge mountain of rotten corn. Okay guys, disregard how much of a mess I look right now, but it is much later now. It's 9 o'clock. I got home from work like half an hour ago, ate some dinner, and I just haven't vlogged because my SD card was full. So I haven't vlogged in a while, actually. Pretty much what you missed is I went to work. That's about it. So while I was gone, Mom and Dad managed to finish sucking up that rotten corn into that wagon. And now the bin is unloading on its own, which is super nice. Okay guys, it's now 10:40, past my bedtime, and I've just been in bed editing for a while. I worked out, showered, and yeah. I thought I'd end today here because I'm literally just editing. And then I'll go to bed. So, yep, that's all for today, and I'll catch you guys in the morning. Good night, guys. Let's all not talk about how bad I look right now. Good morning, guys. Today is Thursday. Today, we had a really heavy, fog, so who knows if we'll be doing meat again. Dad's bringing the spray over. We're gonna tarp it up so we can spray fungicide on the corn because it's starting to tassel. Shush, Dad, you're too loud.
Living day to day, we should buy some gold handcuffs and throw away the K and mark ourselves right into cages in the prison of belief. Cause baby, it's you. Baby.
Dad, what did we do?
Well, was your birthday and it's going to be my birthday, and what else do you do when you have a birthday but buy a new tractor?
Yeah, so we bought a new tractor. Whoopsies.
My bad.
It's pretty sick.
It's got a door on this side too, eh?
Oh wow, that's nice. Would we use that? Probably not, but it's the thought that counts. It smells like new tractor. Okay guys, quick little update. Haven't vlogged in a hot minute, but I think we're gonna get going on some wheat. It's dried up a bit here, or actually a lot. So Dad's gonna take the combine over and test the wheat, see what moisture it is.
and then we're just gonna wait to hear back from him to go down with the wagons and buggy and stuff. So yeah, right now though we're changing the grain system so it's ready for wheat because we were taking out corn all yesterday. So gotta switch things around. Okay guys, we made it to the field and it seems pretty wet. We're just gonna keep going a little bit and see if it gets better, but if not, we might have to move over to this field across the road. So if that happens, that's not a huge deal, we can do that. And now I think Mom is gonna hop into the cab with me and go for a ride, and we're gonna film her YouTube video. So, yeah, I'll catch you guys in probably like a little while. Okay guys, it's now 5 o'clock. I'm starting to get a bit hungry, I'm not gonna lie. I'm sick of music already, so I'm listening to some podcasts. I'm listening to My Favorite Murder, which is such a good podcast. Yeah, I thought I'd just give you guys a bit of an update, and you haven't been missing much, honestly.
I was like Jacob Butter, like everyone knows what happened with the music. He got kidnapped, you know, in Minnesota in the 80s, whatever. And so I was like, I'll just listen to an episode. It is fucking enthralling. It is one of the best fucking investigative journalistic podcasting things I've ever listened to. I gotta listen to it. It's incredible. And it's not about Jacob.
Stunning night.
It's not the worst thing that has happened, so you still okay. Baby, something will come. Baby, it's you. Baby, it's true. Baby, it's you. I don't wanna live it with you. Looking from your telescope, take me on this journey home. I don't wanna wait no more. Lay me down behind the walls, tell me you'll be on soon. I don't wanna wait no more. We could be dancing in the stars, we could be floating on away. As long as I'm safely in your arms, and it don't really matter where we stay.
Good morning guys, welcome back. Today is Friday, finally. I have no idea where I last left off, to be honest. But pretty much last night when we tried to start the dryer, the bypass was plugged. Well, not the bypass, the downspout. Where are you? So pretty much we have a huge mess to clean up now. Good times. And look who came right when I put the last shovel in. Oh, perfect timing. What can I say? Wowza.
Yeah, that was a lot. I think I got more gravel than grain.
Vlog
So
interest.
Dad's gonna be happy when he goes to
Spread
manure.
this. I'm currently on dryer duty. Dad is off spraying fungicide. It's like 1:20. Oh, he just drove in. I think we're gonna be starting wheat within the next hour, probably. I'm just editing my vlog while watching the good old dryer do its thing. It's freaking loud in here though, holy. But yeah, just trying to keep myself entertained, to be honest. And that's my ride, boys and girls.
Space makes me sad. 'Cause space makes me sad.
Okay guys, it's now like 4 o'clock and we just finished up this field. Dad's doing the last trip right now. And now I have to go work. So, someone's gonna have to take over my buggy. I'm thinking Mom's gonna be doing this. And then they're just gonna fill up all the wagons till I get back. And then I'll probably do this for a few more hours after work. And then I think I might hang out with my friends tonight, finally. But yeah, so time to go milk some cows. This is the field we're working on now. I grabbed some snacks. And I'm gonna go take over buggy for Mom so she can keep running wagons. I think it's about 8:15 or 8:30, something like that. Okay guys, so as always I forgot to end this vlog again and now I'm editing it and I'm like, oh, lovely, I didn't end it. But yeah, pretty much that was my week for you guys, Monday through Friday. And yeah, it was kind of boring, but not a whole lot I can do about that now. But yeah, I hope you guys liked it. I'll see you guys all in my next one. Bye guys!